Your hands are the best tools ever invented. Think about it for a second. What can you do that doesn't involve your hands? Could you do it better with your hands? For many Americans, that is everyday life, because where it counts, prosthetic hands haven't really improved since the Civil War. We aren't saying that expensive prosthetics aren't complex, but that the average user's prosthesis just doesn't work as intended. We believe in a future where people with limb differences have top-end functionality and a sense of normalcy at a price that they can afford.
Hi, I'm Nick Witham. I founded Gaia Technologies to make that dream a reality. We have a diverse background in the limb difference community as users, researchers, clinicians, and even outreach volunteers. From these experiences, we saw firsthand how current technology and companies are failing people. We decided to throw out what doesn't work and start from scratch. And we came up with a fleet of high-impact products that are entirely new.
To have the largest impact, we chose the Myoplexer as our flagship product. It measures muscle shape to determine intended hand shape. The Myoplexer comes with a flexible socket that is designed to be as low cost and comfortable as a shoe. Users don't have to see any clinicians in person to use their prosthetic hand. Because the Myoplexer is so intuitive, you can use it out of the box. We are zealously pushing the envelope of what is possible. And with your support, we will bring customer prosthetics into the 21st century.